to another Thrive Architect tutorial. In this one, we're going to take a look at how you can add Facebook or Disqus comments and how to use the options that come with these elements. So of course, these elements will allow your users to comment on your website pages or posts via these platforms. So we're going to start with the Facebook comments element, and I have already opened a post in the Thrive Architect editor, and I want to scroll down, and right below this recipe I want to allow the users to comment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign to open the list of Thrive Architect elements, and I'm going to scroll down and look for the Facebook comments element. So when you find it, you can grab it and drag and drop it to place it where you want on the editor, like so. Right after you do that, the options of the element will appear in the left sidebar here. So the first one is going to be the URL field, which is a field that you only have to complete in case you want the same comments to appear on other pages as well, right? So let's say that I'm displaying comments on this grilled cheese post, so right where we are right now. So I will simply add this element to my post. However, if I want to display the same Facebook comments on this post as well, I can simply add the Facebook comments element, and for this post, simply add the URL of the other post here, which in this case is going to be the grilled cheese post. So basically you can do that if you want the same comments to be displayed on more than one post or page. So coming back to the initial post, we're going to take a look at the rest of the options as well. So we'll have the color scheme option, which will let you choose between the light and the dark color scheme for the elements. So for example, if you have a dark background section, you can go for the darker color scheme. Next, you can choose how to order the comments, and you can choose between social popularity, oldest comments first, or newest comments first. You can also set how many comments should be displayed. So by default, you'll have 20 comments here, but you can use this slider to change the number, or you can enter an exact value in this field. Lastly, in the main options section, you will have the comments moderators option, which will allow you to add a Facebook user ID if you want to add new moderators. Now you can get the Facebook ID from the URL of the profile of the person that you want to make a moderator. So for example, this is my Facebook profile page URL, and this is going to be my ID. So if I go back to the Thrive Architect editor, I can simply add my ID here in this field. And of course, if you want to add more moderators, you can click on this button and more fields will appear as you do that. You can also remove moderators at any given time. Now these are basically the main options of the Facebook comments element. So if we save everything and preview the page, we're gonna see that this is what the element looks like, and users will be able to leave a comment and also have the option to also post on Facebook if they check this checkbox in front of this option. So all they have to do is then click on post. You can also use the rest of the general options, all for which you can find separate articles in our knowledge base. So this is how you can use the Facebook comments element, and let's see how you can use the Disqus comments element. So again, click on the plus sign to open the list of elements, and when you see the Disqus comments element, drag it on the editor like so. So as you can see, the preview will be pretty similar to the Facebook comments one. However, the main options section will only have two options. So first of all, you're going to have to add the forum name. So this is going to be the Disqus forum name that you have to enter in this field right here. And then this URL part will work exactly the same as in the case of the Facebook comments. So if you ever want to display the same comments on multiple posts or pages, all you have to do is enter the URL of the initial page or post where you've displayed the Disqus element on. Alright, so that's basically it. Now we're going to save everything and preview the page so that we can see what the element looks like. So as you can see here, as a user, you will be able to comment using your Disqus profile on this forum specifically, and also the comment box here will come with some extra customization options. For this element as well, you're able to use all of these other sections to further customize it. Now this is basically how you can add Facebook or Disqus comments to pages or posts using Thrive Architect. I really hope the tutorial was useful to you, and be sure to check out all of the articles and tutorials from our knowledge base.